Hello, my name is Ricci Milan. I am the convention director for Adrenaline Dance.
Hello, my name is Marcea and I am the convention director for Revive Dance Convention.
We know this year has been a lot for everybody. And while the world is not 100% back to normal yet, we have found a way to successfully and safely have our dance convention events.
Join us as we walk you through the new event updates and safety protocols. Plus, you'll hear from some of our valued guests about their recent experience.
Before you arrive at our event, you will have already received an email regarding registration information, and all the scholarship numbers and dancer wristbands will have been physically mailed to you. That registration email will include a virtual introduction to both Marcea and I. We will be your main points of contact should you have any questions or need any assistance once the event begins. This not only streamlines our administrative process, but expedites our check-in process and minimizes heavy congregation on site. Our competition is now scheduled in studio blocks, which means that every attending studio will perform all of their routines back to back, thus cutting down on attendance in the facility, in the dressing rooms, and in the audience. Audience capacity will be limited based on square footage, and we are limiting audience members to individuals affiliated with the studio that is presently performing. Every audience member will take a temperature test ahead of entering the competition ballroom. Though we have made it optional for dancers to wear masks while they are performing, it is absolutely mandatory that all dancers, parents, and teachers wear multi-layer cloth masks in the event space. Like our competition, our awards ceremony will be live streamed and can be accessed anywhere in the world. Our live stream can be found on our website and in our free downloadable app. Each studio will have a scheduled time to pick up your awards on the last day of the event. If you don't pick up your awards, we'll mail them to you.
We've reconfigured our convention experience to ensure the safety of everyone in attendance, including our team and faculty. All dancers who have registered for in-person convention will fill out our QR code survey each day before classes begin. Once received by our administrative team, dancers will have their temperatures checked, and then they will find their designated 6x6 square in the convention space. Each dancer will stay within that 6x6 square for every class to ensure proper social distancing. Multi-layer cloth masks tucked below the chin and over the nose are required to be worn by all attending dancers. If you forget your mask at home, we have plenty available on site for free. We have staggered our convention schedule so that Sparks, Minis, and Juniors have their classes first, and then teen and seniors arrive later in the day for their classes. Scholarship auditions are similarly staggered, and each age group will audition in separate ballrooms. At the end of the weekend, scholarships will be distributed one age group at a time. We have successfully coordinated with all our venues around the country to acquire as much ballroom space as possible so that we can still facilitate groups during class and enhance the educational experience overall. Throughout the weekend, we will still be having our health and nutrition seminars and our feedback forums.
Like with everything else, we have taken special steps to ensure the safety of everyone in attendance at any point and during any part of our event. We want every single attendee to feel comfortable and feel the excitement of a dance convention again.
More information can be found on our website, in our downloadable app, and on our social media pages. We thank you for supporting Revive this season.
We thank you for supporting Adrenaline this season and hope to see you soon at a city near you.